I'm not going for my lunch. What I'm going to do is try and demonstrate this parking system on the Citroen, and it will park. It will park perpendicular and parallel, which again is extremely good. It's all right if there's a gap and you can get in kind of sideways. It's fairly big, you know, that's fine. And of course we are in lockdown at the moment, unless I can get them seagulls to stand still. Let's just see if we can find somewhere to... Right, we'll go that way. It looks like there's two cars. Now, if you're going slow enough, you click park. We want to enter bay parking, indicate left, we'll go forward, although this Audi is very, very, very badly parked. Now put it in reverse, we'll go backwards. Go forwards, put it in reverse, just have to be careful there because there's a huge bollard behind us, and that's it. Pretty good party trick. Now let's get going.